In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your website the right way using Siteground with WordPress. If you're looking to launch a website quickly and efficiently, you're in the right place. We'll walk through a straightforward process to ensure your site is up and running in no time. So let's get started. First, head over to the Siteground website. Simply open your web browser and type in worldsiteground.com. This website is well known for its reliable hosting services, and it's particularly great for WordPress sites, offering a solid foundation for your online presence. Once you are on the Siteground homepage, the next step is to log in. If you haven't created an account yet, make sure you sign up first and jot down your credentials for this step. After logging in, navigate to your Siteground account dashboard. You'll find this by clicking on the My Siteground Account section. This dashboard is your main hub for managing your hosting services, so take a minute to familiarize yourself with its layout. From here, click on the Websites option. This tab will display a list of all your hosted websites, and it's where you'll control most aspects of your website's infrastructure. Now find the Site Tools button and give it a click. This toolset is incredibly powerful, giving you access to everything you need to maintain and customize your site. Within this section, you're looking for Install and Manage WordPress. This is a critical step because installing WordPress provides the backbone for your entire website, allowing you to harness the full power of its blogging and site building capabilities. Once you've navigated to the Install and Manage WordPress section, go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to follow a few simple steps to initiate the installation, which the wizard will guide you through. Luckily, Siteground has made this a very user-friendly process, so don't worry if this is your first time. Pay attention to any options for site optimization or automatic updates, as selecting these can save time and effort in the future. Finally, once WordPress has been successfully installed, click on WordPress to start managing your new site. This is where the fun truly begins. You can choose from countless themes, install plugins to extend functionality, and start crafting content tailored to your specific audience. Make sure to regularly check for updates and backups to keep your site secure and running smoothly. That's all for this tutorial. With these steps, your website should now be live and you're ready to dive into the world of site customization. Thank you for joining me today, and you're well on your way to creating a strong online presence with Siteground and WordPress. Happy site building!